Hello, my name is Scott Robinson. I'm currently majoring in software engineering and I plan on graduating this coming December in 2020. I interned with SimpleC LLC out of Marietta. Um, they are a mobile application development company, but they specialize in developing mobile applications in the healthcare space. Um, I was a software development, or actually, technically, I was a developer intern. Um, my time at SimpleC, I was initially introduced to a few different languages that I wasn't super comfortable with, that I hadn't actually used before. So, um, in order to create mobile applications for both iOS and Android in the most efficient way, they use HTML, CSS, TypeScript with Angular framework. So that is I had to learn those. That allows them to be more efficient, so they don't have to code it once in either Android or Kotlin, and then another one or in Java and Kotlin, and then again in Objective C or Swift. Um, and so initially, I was in charge of learning that, and then I had to support the apps they had out there. Um, that was small updates or quality of life changes they had already decided on. They just needed the implementation. So I did that, and then I also worked on Tableau for project reporting, um, which was great. And then after I got my feet wet and I learned a little bit more about the languages and the framework, I got moved to working on the UI for a robot, um, and that was a lot of fun. The robot is responsive to conversation, so I was in charge of creating those functionalities. We used Google um, Dialogflow for that, which was great. I got to learn a new platform that was really great. Um, that was actually something I found the most interesting is when initially they told me that we want the robot to talk back and we want you to do that. I wasn't exactly sure how that was going to work, and I got to learn that process, and it was easier than I thought. Um, but I was really surprising. It was really interesting, and I thought it was a lot of fun, and that alone was worth the internship. Um, but I really enjoyed working in the mobile app space. I thought that it has a pretty quick reward for you when you're creating, because you can create it and run it pretty quickly and you can see kind of instant results, whereas if you're kind of working on a larger system and the things you're working on may not be stuff that you get rewarded for right away, things you're not going to see right away. And so I really enjoyed working on mobile applications, and I think my internship helped me see that, and I think that's where I'd like to go in the future. um, I did want to send another thanks to Doug Nelson, the CTO, and my supervisor. He was great. And thank you to the internship team there at Kennesaw. They really helped out. And so this is a really great experience. Thanks.